Hi, today we're going to replace the cabin air filter in my daughter's 2021 Hyundai Kona automobile. The dealer wanted $74.95 plus tax and thought that was way too much, so we said don't do it. This, looking at the instructions on the side, looks like it's very easy, so let's get started. First thing, of course, is to empty the glove compartment, which we've already done. First step is they say to disconnect this dampening arm. It just kind of pulls off. Next step is to remove the stoppers, which there's one on each side. You just twist them counterclockwise to remove. There's the first one, and then the right side. And then the glove compartment just falls straight down. Next, we have to remove the cabin filter cover or door. So just squeeze on these two things, and then it just comes right off. Here we can see the cabin filter. Just notice the arrow points down, so when you put the new one in, you do the same thing. So we'll pull that one out. And you can see it's quite dirty. Even has some leaves in there or something. We purchased the 2-pack, so we'll have one for the next time also. So we'll take that out of the package. Each one is individually packaged in plastic, so we'll remove it from the plastic. Now we can install the new filter, again making sure the arrow points down for airflow. Just slides in, very easy. Then we put the cover back in. Just sort of snaps in there, it's in there nice and tight. Now we can install the stoppers again. Just lift the glove compartment, put it into the hole, and turn clockwise to tighten. Now it stops, but we'll put the second one in too. And then again, clockwise to tighten. Next step is to reattach the dampener. That just goes on like that. So now you can see how easy it is to replace the cabin filter. This is a 2021 Hyundai Kona, but it applies, a lot of them are the same. Some of them you just press this in, but this one has the stoppers.